Hello, my YouTube family. This is Himanshu Paliwal. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of Titanium Institute of Spoken English Language. Guys, many viewers were demanding about the GD videos, and we have chosen a very common and trending topic, as well as we can say that is government school versus private schools. Many topics are already in a pipeline, so I request you all that if you have any suggestion, questions, points, and anything regarding to the topic, then you must share in the comment section also. So here we have some brilliant spokesperson of Titanium. One side Mr. Vatsalya Nayan, and another side Mr. Ritik and Arav is here. So directly going from this side, so Mr. Vatsalya, please initiate this topic.
So I am in favor with government schools. So I have 2 points to satisfy my view.
Okay.
My first point is that government school accommodate low economic group as well as high economic group also. As we all know that education is right to education is for everyone, and government school provide education to every section of the society without any partiality and free of cost. My second point says about the curriculum. The curriculum the curriculum from which the study is going on in government school, it is national wide curriculum, and the curriculum is standard, and this curriculum is well equipped, and this curriculum provides importance to the local environment of students. That's why it is the reason that more than 130 million students are studying in government schools. So it's all from my side, and if you have any question, then you are free to ask.
Yes, I appreciate you, but I don't agree you. In private school, 25% of seats are reserved for low economic group. So what do you think about it?
So you have a good question. You asked me a good question, but the point is that due to the increase in corruption, these 25% seats are only nominal, and these seats are sold to higher economic groups for higher profit of private schools.
Okay.
Okay,
Thanks.
I'm set.
So okay, you should start.
So I am favoring government schools, and my first point is government schools are affordable and they provide the minimum required infrastructure to the basic need. Government school provide free education up to class 8, and it's help the lower economic group. And my second point is they provide free uniform, food, and scholarship to the children, which help lower economic group, and they provide the minimum required. They provide basic sports facilities, and they provide physical education to the students. That's all from my side. If you have any query, please ask.
You spoke amazingly. I have a question. If private schools take more fees, so as provide more better education, so what would you like to say about this?
I agree with you, but government schools provide quality of education at very low fees, and government schools are also developed with respect of time.
Okay. Yeah. So here in this session, you have mentioned the point in the favor of government schools. Now I think so it's right time to take the points of private schools also. So who is going to oppose this motion first? You? Yeah, please.
So I am in favor of private school. So my first point is quality of education.
Okay.
Quality of education in private school is a ultimate dream of every parents. So that the parents' biggest difference finds between the private and government school is that medium of learning and the mode of communication in English. So the private schools are inculcate English language in daily life of the students. So in the fact institutions are teaching many foreign languages besides of English. And my second point is discipline with learning. So besides of quality of education, discipline in learning in private schools, they more pay attention to the every students, like uniform checked, hairstyles, and personality grooming, developing the communication skills with the peoples. So and because the reason behind this, the challenges facing to the future. So that's from my side.
Okay, so he has mentioned the point about the facilities and quality of education also. Any counter question?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You spoke amazingly, but I don't agree with your point. My question is that at present time, government English medium schools have also opened, and like Mahatma Gandhi English medium schools, Navodaya English medium schools, and Central English medium schools. And government English medium schools are also providing access to quality education in English medium. So, what you would like to say about this?
Yeah, I agree with you. I also know that most of the government English medium schools are also opened, but they are numbered. Every students don't have to access English medium schools and due to limited seats and long distance.
Okay, nice. Would you like to? Yeah.
I am in favor of private schools, and now I am going to initiate my points. My first point is may have better funding, which translate to the better security and resources, equipments, and supplies. And I think private school is safer, and they provide in the saving learning environment. And my second point is more parents tend to be active in private schools as they are paying fees for their children. That's all from my side. If you have any queries, then ask.
Yeah, anyone? Okay.
Okay, you spoke very well, but I have a question. Nowadays, government schools are also equipped with smart classes, playgrounds, computer lab, and science lab, and many more. So, what would you like to say about that?
Yes, I am partially agree with your point, but in government school, these equipments are not used seriously and properly for better future of the students. Okay.
Nice. Yes, anyone have any question? Okay. So I think so it's right time to conclude this topic, guys. Even I request to our viewers that you should also discuss same like as they are doing. If I conclude this topic, yes, if we differentiate government school to private school, then there is a lack of facilities in a government schools. Yeah, I can understand that the government school is providing qualities of teaching, but somewhere a student need a 360-degree angle of learning. Studies are also the priority, but other curriculum activities, that's why the peoples are going to the private sector also for the teaching, for learning also. But government schools are for those who don't afford the teaching, learning, and they are free for all things are free of cost at a time. So I request to our viewers that if you have any question regarding to this topic, then also mention in comment section any topic which you want to discuss or you want us to discuss, then also make sure in a comment section. So it was a healthy discussion. See guys, Mr. Nayan and Arav and Nayan, they are the youngest speaker of the Titanium, so even they are curious for the learning, so there is no age for the learning. So you can also discuss with your friends, family members, anyone. So you make one group and discuss with them. Even though we are ready to for providing our online GD classes also, so we have given a number in our post also. If you want to join our internship programs, if you want to join our online GD classes, live GD classes, then you can call on this given number. So it was a healthy discussion. Thank you so much guys. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much.